In this video, you will learn about best 5 minutes chest workout, home routine, how to cut belly fat fast, how can I slim my chest size, how to target chest fat, 5-minute chest meltdown, home edition, torch your pecs in minutes, short on time but craving a chest workout that delivers serious results. Look no further. This bodyweight blitz sculpts your pecs from the comfort of your living room, requiring just 5 minutes and zero equipment. Get ready to feel the burn and see the results. The Hometown Hero Workout. 1. Incline push-ups 30 sec. Find a sturdy couch, chair, or even a wall to elevate your feet. This incline position puts more stress on your upper chest, helping to chisel out that impressive definition. Perform push-ups with a slow and controlled descent, focusing on squeezing your chest muscles. 2. Wall sits with chest flies 30 sec. Lean back against a wall and engage your core as you squat down into a chair position. Hold this position while performing chest flies. Imagine giving a big hug to a wide tree with your arms extended out to the sides. Squeeze your chest muscles as you bring your hands together in front of you, then return to the starting position. 3. Diamond push-ups with knee tucks 30 sec. Get low and bring your thumbs and index fingers together in a diamond shape. This concentrates the stress on your triceps and inner chest, creating a well-rounded, sculpted physique. Lower yourself with control, then bring one knee towards your chest in a tuck as you push back up. Alternate legs with each push-up. 4. Plank with shoulder taps 30 sec. Get into a high plank position, engage your core and maintain a flat back as you tap your right shoulder with your left hand, then alternate sides in a quick and controlled motion. This keeps your heart rate elevated while challenging your core and shoulders. 5. Superman hold 30 sec. Lie on your stomach with your arms and legs extended. Lift your chest, arms, and legs off the ground, keeping your back flat and core engaged. Hold this position, feeling the burn in your lower back and chest. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to comfortable push-up grips for increased wrist comfort and proper hand placement. Hello, Diamond Push-Ups. Downloadable workout guides with bodyweight variations for different fitness levels and resistance bands to a difficulty as you progress. Let's transform your home gym into a full-blown body transformation zone. Circuit power. Repeat this entire circuit 3 times for a total of 15 minutes of chest-crushing intensity. Remember, you can gradually increase the reps, sets, or incorporate light dumbbells or resistance bands as you get stronger. Most importantly, focus on proper form to maximize results and prevent injury. Leave a comment below telling me which exercise blasts your chest the most. Let's share the sculpting secrets. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock inspiring videos just like this one. It's time to discuss, ditch the crash diets conquering belly fat for good. Belly fat, it can be stubborn, frustrating, and downright confidence-crushing. But before you dive headfirst into fad diets and quick fixes, let's talk about sustainable strategies for achieving a flatter stomach. Here's the truth. Spot reduction, losing fat in a specific area, is a myth. However, by creating a calorie deficit and incorporating healthy lifestyle habits, you can shed fat overall, including your belly. Building a sustainable plan. Here are some key strategies to help you on your journey. Diet dial in. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. Limit unhealthy fats, sugary drinks, and processed foods. These simple changes can significantly impact your body composition and overall health. Move your body. Regular exercise is crucial for burning calories and boosting your metabolism. Aim for a combination of cardio and strength training. Cardio burns calories and improves overall fitness, while strength training builds muscle, which helps you burn more calories at rest even when you're not actively working out. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to high-quality heart rate monitors to track your calorie burn during cardio sessions, resistance bands for dynamic warm-ups, and home-based strength training exercises targeting your core and total body, and downloadable meal plans to guide you towards a healthy and sustainable diet. Let's transform your entire approach to health and fitness. Building consistency is key. Remember, results take time and dedication. Strive for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio per week. Combine this with strength training exercises that target all major muscle groups, including your back and shoulders, at least twice a week. As you progress, consider increasing the intensity or duration of your workouts to keep challenging your body. Beyond the workouts, here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Strength training for balance. Don't neglect strength training. Building muscle in your back and shoulders can help create a more proportional appearance, visually minimizing your chest size. Embrace supportive clothing. Wearing well-fitting sports bras or supportive tops can provide a more defined look. Show drafts. It's time to discuss: can you blast chest fat like a laser? Unveiling the fat loss truth. Stubborn chest fat can be a real buzzkill. While there's no magic trick to target fat loss in a specific area, there are effective strategies to achieve a leaner and more. Let's ditch the myth of spot reduction and explore how a well-rounded approach can help you reach your goals. Fat loss fundamentals. Unfortunately, our bodies don't have a built-in choose-your-adventure approach to fat loss. Genetics play a role in where we tend to store fat, but the key to reducing chest fat lies in creating a calorie deficit. This means burning more calories than you consume. By combining a healthy diet with regular exercise, you'll start to shed fat throughout your body, including your chest. Building a sustainable plan. Here are some strategies to get you on the right track. Diet dial in. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Ditch processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These simple changes can significantly impact your body composition. Move it or lose it. Regular exercise is crucial. Aim for a combination of cardio and strength training. Cardio burns calories and improves overall fitness, while strength training builds muscle, which boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories even at rest. Don't neglect exercises that target your chest muscles. For a well-rounded approach, upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to comfortable push-up grips for increased wrist comfort and proper hand placement, downloadable workout guides with body weight variations for different fitness levels, and heart rate monitors to track your calorie burn during cardio sessions. Let's transform your entire approach to health and fitness. Building consistency is key. Remember, results take time and dedication. Strive for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio per week. Combine this with strength training exercises that target all major muscle groups, including your chest, at least twice a week. As you progress, consider increasing the intensity or duration of your workouts to keep challenging your body. Beyond the basics, while spot reduction isn't possible, incorporating chest exercises can help build muscle definition, which can create the illusion of a leaner physique. Here are some effective options. Push-ups variations, a classic chest builder. Modify on your knees or incline for a beginner-friendly option. Chest flies bodyweight or with weights. Targets your chest muscles for sculpting and definition. Dips assisted or full works your chest, triceps, and shoulders for a complete upper body challenge. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock inspiring videos just like this one. Remember, consistency and a holistic approach are key to achieving a leaner physique. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like some tips on creating a personalized exercise routine that targets your chest muscles.